Hey, what's up everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the EnRoute Backpack 18 liter from Thule. This awesome backpack is made from a super durable 840D nylon. It's gonna keep all your stuff safe. Got that water bottle pocket on the exterior there, and check it out guys. You've got one zipper pocket, so you can access these items and it's kind of hidden out of sight. See that we've got on this backside that top carrying handle for easy carry and those extra padded shoulder straps to keep you comfy. Well, that back panel is going to give you lots of airflow and keep you comfy and cool. On the exterior here, we've got that reflective material to give you lots of visibility, and also that loop at the bottom to attach a blinky light. We've got that Crushproof SafeZone zip pocket at the top. It's got tons of structure to keep your items safe, and also that super soft interior material for things like sunglasses and your smartphone. Keep them all safe. Moving into that main compartment, you got the dual zipper access with the weather guard over that zipper to keep your items protected on the inside. You can see you got lots of space for all your goodies, including a zip pocket for organization, even a tablet pocket right there. And on the inside, we've got that SafeEdge construction. It's going to protect your laptops, keep them safe, and they've also got lots of padding to keep it safe on your back and comfy. So carry all of your essentials in style. This awesome backpack from Thule.